Hi guys, it's Megan. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to spice up your date nights with these 4 amazing hairstyles. They're super easy to do. So the first hairstyle is a side swoop. So I'm just taking a bit of my hair and putting it to the side. I'm also adding some edges. It's so important for me to have my hair out of my face when meeting someone for the first time because it just makes such a good impression. I thought this hairstyle was super cute to do and super simple as well. So let's move on to the next one. For the next one, I'm going to be doing something different and I'm going to be slicking down my hair. As you can see, I'm using a spray bottle to spritz my hair and make my hair more manageable so as not to cause any damage. You can use anything to slick down your hair. I chose to use gel, but you can use absolutely anything. As you can see, we're adding edges to this style as well because I really just think it elevates the style overall. So this was a super simple hairstyle and I absolutely loved it. It really elevates the look overall and it's perfect for date night. So let's move on to the next hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, it's quite simple and quite easy to do. I'm just doing a bun, but let's call it a spicy bun because it has some, extra things on the side. As you can see, I'm just braiding the sides of my hair. I felt like it really elevated the bun as overall, even though it's such a simple hairstyle, the sides really just added to it. And we're moving on to the next hairstyle. This hairstyle is very simple to do. It's called space buns. I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's super cute and super wholesome, as well as being super easy to do. As you can see, I'm separating a piece of my hair in the front just to add something extra. I love having, a piece of hair in my face. I feel like it really adds to everything. And the space buns do not have to be perfect. As you can see, mine are super messy, but like in a cute way. I absolutely love how they turned out. So I'm just adding some water and some product to my hair before I braid it and smoothing everything out. I just wanted a little braid in the front because I felt like it was super cute and the triangle part adds to it as well. Feel free to add any accessories or any clips to secure your bun and just have fun with it. So I absolutely love this hairstyle, but it's time to move on to the next one. The next one is super bold. It's definitely for someone who wants to stand out and I'm absolutely here for it. I'm starting off by taking down my previous hairstyle and yeah, I'm just showing you guys the hair that I'll be using. It's the super neon pink hair. I absolutely love this color. I'm just starting off by gathering my hair at the top of my head and trying to get, all my hair into this mini bun, which is very difficult to do because I've got so much hair, but I managed to do it. And I just laid everything down just before adding the hair. So I tried securing the hair with the hairband that comes with the hair. So I unbraided it and then I managed to wrap the hair around my bun just to hide the bun. But yeah, I think it turned out very successfully and I hope you guys enjoyed this bold hairstyle. I absolutely live for it. It's truly my favorite out of all the hairstyles I've shown. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I really hope that I was able to inspire you guys for your next date night just to have something, a little bit different.